Musa and his administration are over here committing a genocide. It's 2023 and we're watching children and women being targeted. He tried to silence the city of Lascaanod. Lascaanod will not be silenced. We want to let the world know that he's a criminal, a war criminal. He's shooting everybody in the city. We have children here. We have doctors. We have elders that have lost their lives. He's senselessly killing everybody that he sees in sight. He's killing civilians, women, and children. We want to let the world know that if there's any terrorist organization, it's Somaliland. Somaliland is a terrorist organization, and they're senselessly killing our children, our parents, and we're just here trying to protect our city and our lives. We want to let the world know that there is no terrorist organization in Lascaanod. We got our elders, we got our women, we got our children, and we're just trying to have a normal life. He tried to silence us, and we will not be silenced. We want freedom for Lascaanod, and we will not be forced by any administration. Thank you so much.